Hi everybody, good morning all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So in our last session we started order list to bullet numbering style. Our main list we prepared. Next to sub list I want to prepare it. The list within the list. Is it required as a yes we already checked. Practically we observed also in Flipkart we have the main list and sub list available. The similar type we are also going to designing here. It's called as nested list. The type of designing is called as nested list. So what is the data, sir? Data we can imagine anything, sir. Lot of nested list suitable data are available. Suppose colleges list we can display as a nested list, no problem. College list how it becomes nested list, sir. University name list of affiliated colleges. Main list is universities names. Sub list is affiliated colleges. That is one thing. Second one, sir. State to districts. Our third ones are country states. So country is the main list. In every country, how many states are available? That is sub list. Our states is the main list. Inside the state, what are the districts are available? That becomes as a sub list. Hmm. Next one, like that, the different scenarios are available. Our companies, mobiles, vehicles, bikes, cars, laptops, desktops. These are also company name models. So company name models. Company name is the main list. Models are the sub list. Company name is the main list. Models are the sub list. Hmm. The mobiles are or automobiles are your interest. Any type of products, there also will get the type of list of items. Even the our software also will get. So okay, I'll go for some mobiles. I'll go for some mobiles. This is main list to OL. So what are the list items? List items to some Samsung. Next is list items are some Vivo. Next list items are some what is it? MI, MI like this. So you can write any number of list items like this. MI next, your different models available. No?
Read
These are
me.
the list of mobiles, brand names. All these are the brand names. Every brand inside we have some list of models available. And that becomes as a sub list. So we have to start here one more VL tag, bottom of the Samsung. One more VL tag. Inside this VL tag again LIS comes and list of the Samsung models. So S20 one model, S21 one more model, Next to LI M21, one more model like this. How many models available? You can list out all that models. If you are interested as a deep nested also is possible. It's just nested. You can also go for the deep nested also. Why, sir? S20 available. In S20, it's a model, but in that model again variants are available. Every model generally variants are available. So S20 plus available, S20 Pro available. This is one more list again. S20 Pro available. S20 is also available. So this we can take as a, again one more list. Third OL. Third OL. So first OL is Samsung, second OL is S20, third OL is the variants of the S20. The third OL is variants of S20. You interested of that continuation possible. Any number of levels we can go it, there is no problem. Any number of levels we can go it, there is no problem. Next Vivo. Write some of the names here. OL. List out some of the Vivo models. No idea for me. Vivo Y31. Y20. V20. Like that, there's so many. Next MI. MI10. Note 9. Note 10. Like that, OnePlus. OL. OL is closed. Sublist is started. Inside that, once again, the LI. OnePlus models. OnePlus Nord. Eight. Okay, two enough. So this is nested list here, and you will get the output like this. The main list is company's names. The second list, sub list is the model names. If you are interested in more sub listed, deep nested also, you can go for the variants, RAMs, etc., etc. And all the list is getting 123 models only, sir, at the default settings, sir. By default settings. I want to get the main list with 123 sub list to some different serial numbers, sir. Change the model. That is not a problem. Change it. Otherwise, sub list will continue 123 only. Main list, I want to go for Roman numbering, sir. You can write type equals to I. So main list comes with Roman numbering, sub list comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. Very compulsory, generally suggestible, sir. Maintaining the sub list and maintain main list with a different numbering. Then that is basic standards that one. In which type of numbering, your choice, 100%. But your different numbering is always better. Next, can I change the colors, sir? Yes, yes. I want to display the company names in one color, models in one color, sir. Apply the style. So company names in one color I require. So main companies in blue color. Sublist, sir. Sublist we have to redefine again. So color followed by takes of the color. All sublist I need in the same color. All sublist I need in same color. Or if you're interested, every sublist we can display in the different color also. Your choice. Different colors and getting some odd look here. This is uniformity maintenance. Companies in one color, models in one color. No, sir, every company I want to display this different color, sir. Repeat the style tag number of times. So this is finally order list options. This is finally order list options. The next one is unordered list. Next one is unordered list. A very simple explanation, sir. Yesterday's explanation just copy pasting only, no special explanations. OL replaced with the UL. That's all. OL tag replaced with UL. Here we'll get the numbering. Numbering is replacing with the bulleting. Rest of all the things just copy paste. Only these are the two changes. Numbering is replacing with the bulletins, sir. What are the bulletins are available, sir? Generally, three bullets are available. One is the dot, second one is the circle, third one is the square. Three symbols only it is supported basically. Bulleting style supports only the three types of bullets, dot, circle, square. What is the default, sir? Default is dot. If you are not specified any bulleting style, we'll get automatically dot symbol. We'll get automatically dot symbol. This is the simple explanation. Rest of all the things you just carry forward from the previous explanations. Even the code also I'm not changing. Same steps I'm just changing into the tag. Data also same data. OL replaced with the UL. That's all. OL replaced with UL. No more changes, sir. Observe the code, you will get an idea clearly. No more changes. Just to OL replaced with UL. And go and execute. This is all. Bulletin style, I already said that default symbol is dot. Default symbol is dot. I want to change the symbol, sir. Yes, sir, we can change the symbol. That is not a problem. 100% possible. So comes to the type. UL, UL, type equals to dot by default. By default, dot actually. This is dot. Dot not interested, sir. You can go for circle. Dot not interested. You can go for circle. This is circle. Circle not interested. You can go for the square. These are the basic three symbols it's supported. HTML supported. If you go for the CSS settings, one more extra model comes. In CSS, we have one more extra. If I don't want any of these symbols, sir, we can use the none option. I need points only, but I don't need any symbols, sir. None option available. Type equals to none. Only points comes, no symbols. The same thing we can also use in previous thing also. Same thing in previous example also we can use. Numbering also we can use the none option. In CSS extra it is providing anything, sir. Yes, sir. Extra what it is providing, sir. Image providing. Instead of the symbols, we can print image. We can display image. Any small shapes, any shape, hand symbol or something, arrow symbols. So which image you want, which shape you want to display, design that shape image, and we can display that one. There is no problem. Normally now some of the websites we have hand symbol is comes points display. PowerPoint you are using the hand symbols or arrow key symbols. And in our Flipkart also we have the special icons. Anything okay, but you should create that image first. Design the image or download the image. Then my CSS is supporting that one to display in front of your points. Instead of these routine boring symbols. Next option, directly I'm showing the nested option. Now starting with to something, sir. Meaningless kada. Circles is starting with what, sir? Reverse option, sir. Circles reverse option what? 10 circles available. 10 circles if you are reversing, what is the use? Circles is starting 100. How? So some options here it's not working. That's why that we deleted it. And we'll go for directly nested list. We'll go for directly nested list. Colors I'm continuing. Replace all OLs with UL. Replace all OLs with UL. This is outputs. Main list will get into dot symbol, sub list will get into circle symbol. Main list is dotted, sub list is circle. So these are the bulletin styles. What about the image, sir? Image we should write the CSS, sir. Images we should write the CSS. So UL symbol will decide it. First to list time, print something names or something. You can print the softwares list. You can print the names. I'll show the practically. Generally, while explaining of the product features or while explaining of the banking offers, we'll get some special list. It's not special list, but remember this. These all are the unordered list only. See that every mobile list products list details is explaining with the unordered list only. Every mobile. Throughout the Flickr, they are following the same thing. Next, if you click here, sir, we'll get some bank offers. Here we have the special icon. See that they have the special icon. This is not dotted. This is not circle. They created their own icon and displaying that one. So can we print the same thing, sir? Yes, we can copy the same options. These 4 points I want to display here. So 4 points we are displaying here. Generally, these points also basic dot symbol it will comes. These points also basic dot symbol it will comes. But dot not interested, sir. I need the special image like this, sir. Yes, sir. Which image you will interested? Download that image. This, or any other thing, your choice. Or you can draw your own image. Go to the Paint-based software or go to the Photoshop software. Draw your own image. You can draw your own image, no problem. First image required compulsory. So in these symbols, if any symbol, if you like, then that one we can apply to our program. సింబల్ సింబల్ ఆఫర్స్ కదా. సో ఆఫర్స్ అంటే విల్ గో ఫర్ బెటర్ దిస్ మైక్ సింబల్. అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ అనే టైప్ ఆఫ్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్. Mic symbol. Colors are, yes, you can change color. That is not a problem. Red color or blue color or green color, whatever it may be. So this one we can save as a image. This one we can save as a image. So like this. Save this one into your folder, sir. Save this one into your folder. Extension, sir. Extension, your interest. You can take any extension. There is no problem. Already we have a lot of images in our folder. A lot of images in our folder already. Some pick one already is there. Okay, some bullet. We saved with the name of bullet. And what about the style, sir? Comes to here style followed by list hyphen image hyphen style. List hyphen image hyphen style. This is an attribute followed by URL of, write that image name. Write that image name. So bullet.png and close this. List hyphen image hyphen style. So I want to display the list with image style. Who is your image, sir? This is my image. Now see that. Address wrong here. Images slash bullet.png. This is image. You get very big size, sir. Yes, sir. The basically image problem. So you can set any image like this. Your interest, your photos also you can set it. Your photos also you can place it because that is also image only. Photo is also nothing but an image only, so there is no problem. So order list to unordered list, both we used. And we worked both individually, sir. Yes. Can I combine the both things? 100% possible, sir. OL inside UL is possible, UL inside OL is possible. Anything inside anything we can use. No problem. UL and OL. So situation your interest here. OL inside UL or UL inside OL. Anything is okay. In the sense numbering inside, we can go for the main list numbering, sub list bullet. Or main list is bulleting and sub list is numbering. Anything is possible, 100%. 100%, anything is possible. There is no problem. So I'm writing here one small example, list of models. I'm going to listing some car models. Brand name, car model. Company name, Maruti, Hyundai, like that. There is the name of the company. At the same time, every company we have submodels now with the prices we are going to list it. Neatly with the prices we are going to list it. Main list I'm taking OL, means order list. OL close. Inside you can take OLI. So Maruti, first model suppose. Second model, sir, LI. You can take as a Hyundai. Next one more. What is that? Some Kia. I'm just taking the three companies. First, the company names are comes in normal format with the numbering, serial numbering. It will comes. These are the companies list. Next, every company inside, I want to list out some models with price. So go down to Maruti, and here UL is started. Sublist is UL. So this is main list. And this is sublist. UL inside LI is started, and this is our brand. Just adding like this. So like that, or 3-4 models will take in every more category. Now you can go and check it. This is the thing. So main list 1, 2, 3, and sub list is with bulleting style. With the bulleting style. Okay, required an order, that is your interest here. Normally I'm showing that, nothing else. Can you change the internal sublists as circle not interested? You can do one thing. You can create the image. Image you can display it. No problem. Every company logo available, no? That company logo you can display it. There is not a problem. Otherwise, we can go for the normally like this. I'm going to displaying square. The same thing, just copy pasting here. Hyundai. Model changing required. The same thing, copy pasting here. Yeah. So overall output appearance rate will get like this. Models names we have to replace it. So this is list wise information. Individually, we can reuse the list, and we can also use the combinedly also. That combining process, OLA, ULA, which one is first, which one is next, we can decide as per your requirement or as per your convenience. There is no problem. HTML supports any combination, that is not a matter. So model what you require, that is decide yourself. So displaying the information in the points wise. Points are sometimes serial numbers, sometimes no serial numbers, sometimes without any special symbol. That cases we should use the none. You don't want any pointing or bulleting or etc. Simply go for the none. And we can display the list with some image also. That image also we mentioned in the last example. Can I display the every point with the separate image, sir? Yes, sir, that also possible, but you should repeat that attribute every time. Image style attribute available. Na? List style hyphen image attribute. You have to repeat in every tag. Every point before we can display the separate image. But every time repeating and every point displaying with a separate image, sir, maybe it's not possible or it's not suitable in all the situations. The next one, the one more tag is tables. Next one is tables, creating tables. So data presenting in table format. Data presenting in table format. Required as sir. Yes, lot of times we are seeing tables. Na? Even in yesterday Flipkart also we have some couple of tables while checking of the points. Flipkart's data also we have a lot of tables are available. Or your cricket scorecard is stable, list of trains is stable, availability seats displaying is stable, your marks report is stable. The MSET marks are semester marks are whatever it may be in table format only. Your bank account statement is in table format. Hmm? Points, any tournament is going on, the points stay displaying in the table formats. Hmm? Lot of times we are using tables. Lot of times we are using tables. So points table, tournament point table. Next IPL season is going to starting now. If you watch that IPL, all the tables, teams names, how many matches they played, how many won, how many lose, how many run rate to, etc. That everything is comes in the points table only. Your marks memo is also points table only. Any marks memo that comes in points table only. Your transactions list in points table only. Transactions list is also comes in the table format only. Bank account statement it generates in table format only. Recent transactions list. Next one, list of trains. List of trains. Trains list to buses list is also comes in table format only. Or sharing BS stock market information. Shares information also comes in table format only. Shares information. Sensex displaying in also in the table format only. Like that, the lot of cases we are using tables. So table is also one of the way to represent the data. Table is also one of the way to present or to represent the data. Or how to create these tables are. For that we have the separated tags. One is the table tag, main tag. Table they have the sub tags also. One of the sub tag is caption sub tag. Another sub tag is tr, and tr they have again sub tags th and td. Observe the position, we'll get the clearly who is the main tag and who is the sub tag. Table is the main tag. Table contains the two subtags, one caption, one tr. And again, tr contains the two subtags, th and td. So these are the 5 minimum tags required for drawing a table. You want to design a table more effectively, these 5 tags are required. Plus, we have 3 more tags. We have 3 more tags. What is that, sir? Table head available, one tag, and table body available, one more tag, and table foot available. What is these three, sir? All these are the HTML5 release tags. These are the old tags, these are the new tags. Is available from the beginning versions of the HTML, and these available released in HTML5 version. Yes, we are working these also, no problem. But first, this is concentrated. These are we are concentrating. So table, no full form. It's just a collection of rows. A table is nothing but a collection of rows. How to create the rows are TR, table row. TR stands for table row. And TH stands for sir, table heading. Table heading. Actually, it's not table heading, sir, column heading. It's not table heading, column heading. But formation like that, meaning is column heading only. Next, TD means sir, table data. Table data. These are the full forms. Caption means sir, caption means original table heading. Table main heading. The points table, marks report to list of tables, and main heading is comes now. That main heading is our caption. So it is used for displaying of the data. That's why we call it a table data. Data displaying this one. If you want to set the headings for columns are TH. If you want to draw a rows are TR. If you want to set the main heading for tables are caption. And all these things are grouped by the main tab, this one. Table tag, what it is doing, sir? Table tag not doing anything. Table tag, it doesn't performs any operation. Table tag, it doesn't performs any operation. These are all the things, it just grouping, that's all. Because table is nothing special component. Table is a collection of rows. For how to design the rows, sir? By using TR tag, we can design the rows. TR tag, it helps to design the rows. That all the rows are combined by the table tag. Simple thing. So these are the 5 tags and their meanings. And common thing point explanations are all are the paired tags, all are paired tags, and table is also block level elements. Table is also block level elements. The tables are comes always in the fresh row, and it is every tag is paired tag. Table opening closing, caption opening closing, row opening closing, heading opening closing, data opening closing. So all 5 tags are the paired tags, and all are block level elements. Especially table is block level elements. So example, I'll show in tomorrow session, sir. Example on tables, I'll show in tomorrow session. So any questions?
Sir, just share the link, right?
Yes, thank you all. Tomorrow we'll continue the rest of things. Bye.
Bye, sir.